Hello everybody, this is AB Roadrunners here. I hope I don't piss off some of you tubers. We're putting in a tank. My buddy over at Hebert needed some help, so I decided to go over there and help him. And here's what we got. Well, that's the house when we comes out, and this is the line that comes out. Like I said, I hope you people that videotape putting in a septic tank, you don't get offended and bitch about it, about my video, because I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you between your videos and Arizona videos, because I've seen nothing made up by the rim, Maggie and Riemann in Arizona. Now this is what we used to dig the holes with. So get ready, because I'm going to give you a reality check. Okay, here's your reality check. That's where the pipe comes in. You see the barrel. You people back east, read this real good and well, because none of you got a video that I've seen yet. That is not caliche. It's part caliche and part bedrock. If you notice, right there, just between the barrel, that you'll notice is bedrock. There's my tool to use, because we can't get a jackhammer to do all to break it up. It's too expensive after paying for that big thing right there. We've been on it for about 2 or 3 days. I know we're not that smart. We don't know. We're learning how to use this machine, so it's taking us a little bit longer. So don't make a comment because it took me so long. You make it anyway. I really don't give a crap anyway. But you see that? It starts from that barrel. Now watch. Now this dirt on here has still got bedrock. That bedrock comes over here. See part of it? That's for the bucket scraping. It's all this hole here. This hole right here, we're going to put a leach line and come down through here. We haven't got the gravel yet, so that's down the road. That's 12 feet one way, 20 feet the other. Now you want to see how that is? Where that blue barrel is, all the way down, I'm sitting at the other edge of the pit, where the lines are going to come in. That's about 40 feet. So that's how we put septic system on here, because if you put the right one, they bring the jackhammer and everything, and by the time they get done, you're looking close to $10,000. Well, the land out here is like $3,000 to $5,000. Now you do the math. People, when you can't afford a real jackhammer, you go get one of these if you got it, if you're a mechanic, and that's what you use. And here we go. See this rough rock there? Okay, just make sure you wear your safety glasses. And for your people information buying an area property here, where the real estate people give you a bunch of crap, the situation is, you better check. If you don't have a septic system in approved by the county, you cannot have power. We've got power right across the street, and that will not let you put any power on. Here, let me give you some more pictures on it, what's going on. There's the power there. If you don't have their approved system, which a permit costs $500, you will not get it. You see a bunch of trailers up here because people thought they could have power, and the real estate people say on their videos that you have to do all your checking, but they're not responsible what you can do, what you can't do, because they don't want to tell you you can't do anything. You can't put power up there unless you or a trailer You can build a mobile home and stay in it, but they're not going to hook up more power. You got to use solar. And that's what you use, but they don't want to tell you that. They just want to make money, sell you the land. Now, if you want water, everybody's buying them tanks and putting them right there in front, on top there. Storage containers, that's where they put it on there. Because I guarantee you, if you ain't got no neighbors keeping an eye on, these people will come and drain that water and they'll steal it. And that's all over northern Arizona. I heard that from people. So I hope this was semi-informative, and if anybody's got anything to comment about it, we'll see. That's what it is. It's a beautiful day. It's in the 70s. So, like I said, you people that travel around or they want a permanent address, this is going to happen unless you just want an address. That's the only way you can get it, and then you don't do nothing, and then you use solar power to do it. This is AB Roadrunners. I hope this was informative, and thank you very much, and we'll see you down the road. Bye, y'all.